Their drum majors tonight are Marla Manis and Zara Slimowitz. Their show this evening is titled Motive to Masterpiece. Their selections will include elements of Appalachian Spring, a ballet for Martha Graham. A few more happy grams to Kiani Wilson from Mom and Dad. Go Kiani, we love you. Make your clarinets rock the house. To Sydney Wine, where are you? I can't see you. Just kidding. This is the last one. Kill 'em, love your roommates.
Had a good run of working.
To Sarah Callahan from Carolyn, flutes rock the house. Another one for Sarah from grandmother and granddad. We love you. To Alex Zaphos from Jacqueline, so glad I finally got to see your show. I love you. To Shannon Lopez from your proud parents. Every competition for these 4 years has been amazing. This will be the best. To Kevin Chumio from your mom, lots of success. I know you are all going to do great. I love you, Mom. To the Cooper City Sound of Pride, to the entire Sound of Pride band, parents and staff. Ohana means family, and family means no one gets left behind or forgotten. Thank you for being my Ohana for the past 4 years. To Sydney Wine from Mom, Dad, Marty, and Rossi, good luck with your final competition before states. You're an amazing person. We are so proud of you. Rock the pit. Go Sound of Pride.
Is this one about that? No. You can't be at the staff viewing area.
To Milagros Lopez from your parents, we wish you lots of luck. We love you mucho.
I'm just with Park Vista.
To Courtney Wilkeson from Mom, Dad, Clarice, and Bella. Courtney, you are awesome. Enjoy your whole senior year. Rock the house. To Sydney, Zara, Cesar, Micah, and Dawson from Brenda. Good luck. Double reed, Jex, rock the reeds. You'll do great. Love, Oboe Baby. To Nick Lataki from Dad, you rock. You're the best son a father could. You're the best son a father could ask for. I'm proud of all the hard work you do to make the band sound great. To Sonia Lataki from Dad, I'm so proud of you for all the hard work and long hours that you put in to make the band look good. You'll always be my bouncing bubble. Drum major, is your band ready? Cooper City High School Sound of Pride, you may now take the field in competition.
Please sit down. Please sit down. There's a band on the field. Please sit down. Somewhere.
Find ourselves in the place just right.
hear a big round of applause for the Sound of Pride from Cooper City High School. Got a few more happy grands from Cooper City. Let's see if we can finish these off while they're exiting the field.